Neovim, Episode 10, LSP. IDE-level intelligence in your terminal. Here's what we'll cover. Mason setup. One command installs any language server. LSP features. Go to Definition, hover. References, rename. Diagnostics. Inline errors, navigation, and quick fixes. Let's begin. 9 plugins from episodes 7 through 9. Time to add LSP. New spec file for LSP. Mason, a portable installer for language servers. Mason-lspconfig, bridges Mason and LspConfig. Ensure installed. Pyright for Python analysis. LspConfig tells Neovim how to start pyright. LspAttach autocmd. Keymaps activate when a server connects. Eight keymaps. Definition, hover, references, rename, and more. Full LSP spec. 3 plugins, 8 keymaps. Project directory. Same Python task manager from episode 9. LSP info. Pyright attached and analyzing. K for hover. Function signature and doc string. Main.py open. Let us explore LSP features. K on create task. Hover shows the function signature. G, D. Go to definition. Jumps to database.py. Control O. Jump back to where we were. GD on task. Jumps to the class definition and models. GR. Find all references across the project. Every file that uses create task. Telescope shows them all. Space RN. Rename symbol. Type the new name. Every occurrence updated across all files. Undo to restore the original name. CA. Code actions. Quick fixes from the language server. Diagnostics. The language server catches errors in real time. Clean file. No errors. Sign column is empty. Change high to a number. Wrong type for priority. Inline diagnostic. Underline and sign column icon appear. D. Diagnostic float shows the full error message. Add a second error. Extra argument to get all tasks. Bracket D. Jump to the next diagnostic. Open bracket D. Jump back to the previous one. Fix both errors. Diagnostics clear instantly. LSP info. Pyright server status and capabilities. Let us recap 5 key takeaways. First, mason.nvim installs language servers automatically. Second, GD and Control-O for definition jumping. Third, K for hover docs, GR for references. Fourth, RN renames across every file. Fifth, bracket D and close bracket D navigate diagnostics. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Neovim tutorials.